Everyone knows about Tesla's production hell with the Model 3, Cybertruck, or Tesla Semi, and other tough challenges the company has faced. This raises a widespread question. For a complex production product like Optimus, as Elon Musk has admitted, will those difficulties also arise in the production of Optimus? And how can Tesla manufacture millions of Optimus units each year? This milestone is approaching quickly, as Elon Musk has confirmed that 2025 will be the year Tesla produces thousands of robots for internal training before officially launching them for sale at the end of the year or early 2026. No company has ever sold robots in large volumes just 3 years after initiating research and development. So can Tesla truly achieve mass production of Optimus? Discover how the Optimus robot is being manufactured at Giga Texas right now. Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 360 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. Currently, Tesla has yet to build a dedicated factory for the Optimus robot production line. The approximately 100 Optimus units produced so far are primarily built in a small facility within Giga Texas. They are 100% handcrafted and assembled by Tesla employees. When discussing the production of humanoid robots, Elon Musk once shared this on X. Complexity per unit mass is much higher with humanoid robots, but still I think it ends up costing less than half of a car. Even Elon Musk has admitted that manufacturing Optimus involves a higher level of complexity compared to a car, particularly in terms of complexity per unit mass. You might not know that producing Optimus requires the integration of various scientific and technological fields. First, Tesla's mechanical design must emulate the human body structure, with flexible joints and excellent balance. Proof of this is Optimus's recent ability to walk up and down slopes in a very human-like manner. We've analyzed this capability in detail, and you can watch the video on our channel. Weighing in at 138 pounds, around 62 kilograms, it's clear that Tesla uses materials that are lightweight, durable, and capable of withstanding significant force. Instead of being encased in metal plates, Optimus prioritizes advanced plastics to reduce its weight. In terms of control, the robot requires AI brain to process information from sensors, make decisions, and execute movements with precision and synchronization. Advanced sensors, such as visual, tactile, and motion sensors, play a critical role in enabling the robot to perceive its environment, interact, and move naturally. Tesla already possesses these capabilities through its full self-driving software, so this isn't a major challenge. As you know, Tesla has an incredibly powerful AI and neural network foundation, arguably the best in the world. With Elon Musk's initiatives like Grok, XAI, FSD, Autopilot, Neuralink, and its supercomputers, Tesla's advancements in AI are mind-blowing, making Optimus's brain truly extraordinary. One of Tesla's biggest advantages in potentially mass-producing Optimus next year is its lack of dependency or challenges related to battery supply for the robots. As a leader in electric vehicles, Tesla has no shortage of battery resources. Instead of using conventional 2170 or LFP batteries, Tesla has specifically integrated the 4680 battery into Optimus. This battery offers the highest energy performance and the best cost efficiency Tesla currently has. This creates a significant edge for Tesla over competitors, as the biggest challenges for most companies today are the robot's brain and battery supply. Tesla, however, excels in both areas, setting the stage for large-scale production at an unparalleled level. The biggest challenge lies in the actuators. Once the actuator design is finalized, the focus will shift to manufacturing them. Tesla already knows how to produce batteries and chips. Other components, such as the body and cameras, are relatively simpler. Actuators are the motors that enable movement in the arms, shoulders, and elbows. Currently, if each actuator costs around $1,000, the total cost for actuators alone is $42,000. Adding in other components, the overall cost of Optimus could initially be $50,000 or higher. However, Elon Musk has stated that Tesla could eventually produce Optimus at a cost of $10,000, allowing customers to purchase it for $20,000 once the company scales to producing 1 million units. If Optimus is released for sale in early 2026, we estimate its price could initially be as high as $50,000. We also believe that Tesla can achieve a production capacity of 1 million Optimus robots per year within 3 years from next year and potentially reach 10 million robots in 5 years. If this comes true, we will witness a trajectory of value creation far beyond what people currently imagine. Don't think this is far-fetched. Elon Musk has a way of accomplishing what we once thought impossible. Once again, please help us reach 360 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. Now, here's some news about Tesla's affordable car, which could be unveiled next year.
Tesla has consistently been a top seller, raking in massive revenue since the launch of the Model 3 and Model Y. However, it's been a while since they introduced a whole new vehicle priced on par with or lower than these models. The company seems to be feeling the pressure as global sales have slightly dipped this year. Meanwhile, profits from Cybertruck likely remain limited and FSD isn't ready for a full-scale robotaxi service. On top of that, sales for Model S and Model X remain disappointingly low. At this point, launching an affordable, highly demanded vehicle might be Tesla's best strategy to shake up the market next year. That's why Model Q, officially confirmed, will be Tesla's 9th vehicle debuting in the first half of next year. Billed as the best compact car next year, it boasts a 284-mile range. Dive deeper into the details of Model Q right now. The new Tesla model is called Model Q in reports, and before it was often called Model 2. It seems they're not official names yet, but we temporarily call it Model Q because the head of consumer relations at Tesla investor, Travis Axelrod, revealed to Deutsche Bank that the car is called Model Q and will be produced on Tesla's existing production line. The launch of Model Q has a great purpose when Tesla had an unimpressive year in 2024 and the number of Model Y and Model 3 inventories still seems to be quite large. This is the reason Tesla continuously launches programs. Promotion during this period, realizing 2025 will be even worse if Tesla doesn't make any moves to attract customers, the company's chosen the best option to launch Model Q, the car that millions of people are interested in and waiting for a long time. According to a report from Deutsche Bank, the Model Q is expected to launch in the first half of 2025, around June, and will be priced at $30,000 in a subsidy-inclusive state, meaning the price of Model Q could be $37,400 if the U.S. electric vehicle tax credit goes away now that Trump is looking to eliminate it. If EV subsidies remain in place and are not canceled by Trump next year, the price of Model Q could eventually drop to $30,000, and it would be the cheapest car for Tesla ever. By comparison, Model 3 currently costs 42 Gs in the US and 35K in Australia after subsidies are applied. Model Q is expected to be 15% smaller and 30% lighter than Model 3 with a length of approximately 157 inches, the same length as a standard Mini. Model 3 is 185 inches long, so cutting it closer to 30 inches would create a fairly compact vehicle. At the start of this year, Model Q was reported by insiders that it would be a compact crossover, but this remains uncertain as Tesla does not yet have a hatchback model in its collection. However, we're sure that Model Q will definitely be the best compact in its price range. Speaking of specs, the Model Q will come in two variants, a single-motor rear-wheel drive with a 53-kilowatt battery pack and a long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive variant expected to include a 75-kilowatt-hour battery, all of which are LFPs. The report states that the car will be able to go up to 500 kilometers or 310 miles on a single charge, but we think that it'll be for the AWD variant, and the price for this variant is also higher. It's also unclear whether that estimate's based on rather generous standards used by Chinese authorities. We think the EPA for the RWD model will be a bit less, perhaps between 230 and 284 miles. Tesla's plan to make about 10,000 of these vehicles per week globally, or about 500,000 a year. As Tesla mentioned in its previous earnings call, this next-gen vehicle will be built using Tesla's existing assembly line with minimal changes, which will allow for smooth and seamless production. Predictable. The company's much-touted unboxing assembly process will be retained for the Cybercab, when and if it goes in production. Model Q will begin in China and then the US, specifically at the Fremont plant in California. It seems unlikely that Model Q will get made in Germany due to the high labor costs. In places where Tesla sells well, a lot of people already have one of the existing models, and some buyers just want something new and different. It has nothing to do with price or size or shape, just new and different. Even some new colors will help increase sales, so Model Q will be always attractive whether it's overly minimalist or not, and importantly, the price will be lower than Model 3. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.